Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
Are you a GIS professional wondering what your job will look like in 5 years? Or maybe you're just starting out and want to future-proof your career. The GIS world is evolving faster than ever, and the opportunities? They're not what you think. Think you know GIS? Think again. The traditional map-making role is disappearing. In its place, high-demand, six-figure specializations powered by AI, big data, and real-time intelligence. We're living through a geospatial renaissance. GIS is no longer just about showing where things are. It's about predicting what's next. From tracking climate change in real time, to guiding autonomous vehicles, to mapping disease outbreaks before they spread. GIS is now a data-driven intelligence powerhouse. AI is rewriting the rules. Imagine training algorithms to detect illegal deforestation from space, or building predictive models that warn cities of floods before a single raindrop falls. The rise of geospatial AI engineers, who blend coding, machine learning, and GIS, is creating roles that didn't exist 5 years ago. Here's a shocker. By 2030, 80% of all data will have a spatial component. That means GIS data scientists are in critical demand, handling terabytes of geospatial data, fusing streams from IoT sensors, satellites, and drones. Their job? Turning noise into decisions, whether for governments, businesses, or defense. Ever heard of a geospatial digital twin? It's a living, breathing 3D replica of a city or factory, constantly updated with real-world data. These twins are shaping urban planning, smart grids, even airport operations. And then there's XR GIS, specialists who design immersive spatial experiences where you can literally walk inside your data. Businesses are betting big on location intelligence. Think retail chains predicting the best store locations, or telecom giants optimizing 5G rollout. The skill? Using GIS not for maps, but for profits. These analysts blend spatial data with business strategy, one of the most lucrative new paths in GIS. So how do you future-proof your GIS career? 3 essentials: coding, cloud computing, and domain expertise. Python is non-negotiable. Cloud GIS is exploding. And interdisciplinary niches, like climate, health, or energy, are where the real opportunities hide. Those who specialize dominate. Here's what nobody is telling you. The highest-paying GIS jobs are not advertised as GIS at all. They're listed under AI engineer, data scientist, XR developer, or digital twin architect. If you keep searching for GIS analyst, you're already behind. The next 5 years will decide who thrives in the geospatial revolution and who gets left behind. The question isn't, will GIS change? It already has. The real question is, will you change with it? If this opened your eyes, imagine what else is coming. Subscribe to Native GIS, your edge in the geospatial revolution. Drop a comment on which next-gen GIS role excites you most. And remember, maps don't just show the world anymore. They shape its future.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.